Hello guys, this is a video recap for day 13 on the simulator. Today was a good day. I made $400. I'm gonna go each by one of the trades I took. So the first trade I took was on AGNC. I took it out on okay, this was a test I was doing on the pre-market, so I'm not gonna count that one. The first one I took was TVA. So let's go. I took a short opening range breakdown, 5 minute opening range breakdown. So let's go. uh, yeah, so at the open, the stock really went up the first 4 minutes. That's why it's not a good idea to take 1 minute opening range breakups or breakdown, because you have to give more time to find out the real movement of the stock. So right here the first 5 minute candle was this doji, was indecision. So once I saw the price coming below the close of this doji, I went short, and I was not going to let it. If the price moved against me, I was gonna exit really quick, maybe at this a couple of cents, because in my experience, these opening range breakdowns, if I don't take them clean in a clean way, they just squeeze me. So I took it here, and the price was really clean, and I covered some at this moving average, at this last moving average. I covered some, then I let it ride a little bit more, and then I covered the rest at the low of the pre-market. So I made quite a good money there. I made like 100 something dollars. Yeah, then I made a trade on G-Day. This was almost at the same time I was trading Tiva, so not very good idea. I took a trade here for the long side at 941. Yeah, right here. So I was hoping for the crack of this level and move. I mean, taking advantage of the momentum and maybe closing the gap, but I didn't let it run against me, so I exit right away, and I'm glad I did it, because the price just went really bad. So I also took a trade on MGM at 947. 947. Yeah, so I took the trade right here on the short side, because okay, so let's see why. Yeah, I mean, I saw this level right here, that the price couldn't go up above that, so I took a short side here. My stop loss was this level, and I covered some MGM. I covered some at 27.88 right here, and then yeah, okay, let me see something. Yeah, I cover here. Then I try to went short again, and just I mean, I don't know why, but I exit right here immediately. Maybe I didn't want to give profit backs. So yeah, so MGM. Then I went to Teva. I was just jumping around of stocks, but one thing I did good in this day is that if I was going to trade another stock, I put my hard stop order in the system. So if the price move against me, I exit without my supervision. So that was something I did good. And if I see another opportunity in other stock, and I am managing one stock, I have to put a hard stop and then move to the next. And that worked really good today, actually. So let's go again to Tiva. I took a long trade here at 1060. Yeah, I was waiting for a reversal back to the VWAP, first I took the trade right here at 1060. I took it here. Mm, no, I took it right here. So I was not going to let it ride against me too much. So as soon as it came down, I exit. I lost $24. Then I tried again here at 1007 right here. I thought this was a good sign for a reversal, but then again the price went against me. So I was actually not managing really good this trade because I should have seen better the 5 minute chart. But yeah, I mean the last then I saw this spike. I saw this spike, and again I kind of chased this spike with 800 shares, but this was a good sign for me because in the 5 minute this was this hammer formation, this candlestick. So my stop loss was going to be this one, and if I lost this trade, I was going to call it for the day and stop trading. And this trade was really good because then the price consolidated in this area, uh, and yeah, I took some profits. Let me see. I took some profits here. Okay, then no, actually, I made a mistake here. I was going to I was going to sell my long, so to make the profits, but I end up adding more. So that was a hotkey mistake, but then I sold half of it here, and I make a good profit, $60. Then I exit the rest here because I didn't like this price action. I thought the price was going to go down. So I made like $100 there. Then I went to MGM again. I make a long at 1021 right here. I was playing also right here at 1021. Yeah, right here, a reversal, because I saw this doji, but this is like a hammer doji candle. So I was waiting for a pullback. I entered here for the reversal, then I cover some here. Um, and then yeah, I cover it was only 200. I cover all right here, and I made some profit. Then I went back to Tiva and I make a good short. I think this was a 1027. So I was hoping the price to go to the VWAP, and I was confident that the price was going to encounter a big resistance in the VWAP because it had sold off really really badly. So I make a short right here in this red candle. I shorted it. My stop loss was the VWAP, and so okay. Yeah, I saw the price going against me. I didn't want to give profit back, so I exit here for the break even, but then I exit again. I enter again the trade here for the short side. This time I was saying, okay, my stop loss was going to be this week. So I entered there for 800 shares, then I cover some here. In this, I nailed this pullback. I cover some here, and then I cover some at 1039 here and here for break even. Uh, yeah, 1040. Okay. Oh no, maybe right in this candle I was going long. I saw this price action. I thought this was going to make a new test of the VWAP, so I went long here. Not a good play. I exit here. So yeah, and then I made a last short on Tiva. Last short because I saw in the first minute chart I saw this making a new lower high formation here in this couple of candles. So yeah, I thought this was going to make a new lower low. So I went short there, 400 shares, and then I covered some here and covered some here. And then I wanted to wait for the test of the low of the day, but my day was finished. I didn't want to trade longer than that, so I exit there. I also made a short on EMU. Let's see, on EMU, I made a short. Was it a short? Yeah, right here at 1040. That was a successful short right here. Also, I was hoping this previous day level was going to act as a resistance. So I wanted to enter for the best risk to reward. So I entered here. My stop loss was this previous day level. Then I covered some here for the here in this level. Then the remaining shares. I think I covered all of them there because my day was finished, so could have waited and I could have I could have covered some on the way down on the VWAP, but I covered just here. But yeah, overall was an okay day. 400 shares. Like I said, I was jumping around. Maybe I was trading one stock and at the same time I trade another one, but I put a stop loss in the other stocks that I was managing. I put a stop loss in case the price went against me, and that turned out to work really good. So overall, it was good opening range breakdown, good reversals, and yeah, I was also paying attention to SPY to see what was the direction of the market, and I also planned my trades based on SPY. I was checking it really frequently. Yeah, so that's it for today, and see you in the next recap.